Did you accidentally turn on TalkBack and now want to turn it off? Here's how to disable it on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, tap the Settings app once to focus it, then double tap to open it.
Settings. DW1987, 1 of 28, in list 28 items. Double tap to activate.
Scroll down using two fingers.
App, Mode, Home Screen. Google Services, 18 of 28.
Tap Accessibility, then double tap to open it.
Accessibility. Navigate up, button, out of list. Double tap to activate.
Tap TalkBack and double tap again.
TalkBack. Navigate up, button, out of list. Double tap to activate.
Tap the switch, then double tap it.
TalkBack. Turn off TalkBack. Cancel, button, out of list. Double tap to activate.
Finally, tap Turn Off and double tap to confirm.
Turn off button.
As you can see, TalkBack is now disabled and your phone returned to normal touch control. And that's how you turn off TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.